Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. Now, first of all, I just want to apologize for my absence off of YouTube. Quite frankly, I actually forgot my password and I just man, whatever. I wasn't really checking. You know what I mean? I've been gone for a very, very long time. Alright, so I'm back. Of course, these videos where I analyze the market technically. This is what I love to do, man. This is something that I just get a kick out of it. I was like, boy, I really miss doing it. Anyway, that being said, we got all that out of the way. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna actually analyze the NZDJPY currency pair. Now, this particular market, it has definitely been on a bullish trajectory, and we're looking at the monthly time frame. The trajectory of this market has definitely been bullish, and as you can see, this ascending trend line has been respected. Two touches, of course, makes this particular scenario here, right here, it makes it a valid trend. And we're talking monthly, all right? And also, this particular market is above the SMA, the 20 simple moving average. So we are definitely in bias territory. However, there comes a time when the buyers start to panic. All right, this is why this particular candle here is on the chart. You see that right there? The buyers are starting to reconsider their positions, because let's be real, when you got a market that's been trending a long time, and you're getting, and then of course this area here is out of zone where the all-time high has respected and rejected, and this is why you have the losing of steam, because the buyers ain't dumb. The buyers are quite aware of what normally happens at these strong areas of support and resistance, this being resistance, and this is the all-time high over here, and look over here, see that? So they are looking at this area. Now it's an actual zone. It is an actual zone, not the particular area, but zone. Now, this market, if it so happens to touch this particular area here, right, you can expect, you can expect a bearish rejection, because this trend line, and guess what, this particular and of course this is all speculative information. This is not written in stone, but based off of the historical movement of this particular currency pair, we can see that it trends for long periods of time. So if you have a rejection from this particular area, I anticipate the market falling at least here to hit the trend line again, to either go up some more, or if it breaks, then you're gonna have bearish selling pressure all the way down. All right, so that's so right now, this area, this is more like a waiting game for those persons who are trading off the monthly, because they're waiting to see what June candle does. This is the representation of June candle, this. And of course, if June candle shows some type of doji or something like that, of course you're gonna have sellers coming in, or the continuous buying pressure. Yeah, the sellers are going to wait for this particular area here, and of course rejection, and then you're gonna have a massive sell-off. And when it comes to the law of gravity, what goes up got to come back down. All right, and of course this is off the monthly time frame. Now, viewing the market it is always good to do top-down analysis, because once you could get to see the overall, you know, the overall trajectory of the market, what the market actually wants to do, and what it's doing. Because the higher time frames rule. The higher time frames rule. Alright? So this is the weekly. See? The buyers are starting to panic. That's why you got this right here. Right there. And that's the weekly. Now let's look at the daily. Daily time frame. And you see what happened here off of the daily. But of course it's respecting this SMA. This is actually above. You know, the market is actually riding this, because this particular moving average, guys, acts as like a kind of like a mobile support and resistance mechanism. Alright, and it's actually respecting it very well. And of course you have this 200 moving average. So once you see price breaks this moving average and proceeds down aggressively, then you know sellers might be considering, you know, because we go based off of the momentum. We as retail traders, we don't control the movement of the market. It's the big boys. So we just going off of what we think they're gonna do based off of price action. All right. So it has respected this particular SMA, and it may, like I said, it may continue up to the area. Once you get there, you're gonna sell off. I anticipate a sell off. Yeah, and that's from the long. That's a higher time frame sell off. Respecting the actual monthly trend line right here. Hit this area or within the area, within the zone itself, and boom, right there, bam. All right, that's all I got. That's all I got for you guys today. But consider subscribing to this channel, because what it does, it encourages me. I gotta make more videos, because when you don't say nothing and don't like, you know, that'd be a little hard to keep coming on here. But I'm gonna do my best to do better. I'll be a little bit more consistent. Alright guys, you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.